What's going on, you guys? It's Corey back at it again. I got a special bonus for you guys. If you want to get started with a traffic source that has 100 to 200 US based leads, and these leads actually convert into sales, members who have been using it have been converting sales after sales after sales. I'll take you over into the members group real quick. As you can see, Travis Alexander posted. He's made more another ClickBank sale using this traffic source a day ago. Mick Law, hello, yesterday another small another small sale from ClickBank, and SM again was the best month so far. I am writing for what September will show. Waiting for what September will show. Excuse me, my reading is off today. Michelle Zingerman. Been a day spell later, a dry spell later for tier 1 member, but got on the board for September, mailing every day and a few ClickBank, and finally a warrior sale. Will stay at at it, and remember, a winner is only one who never gives up. And he's showing that he made a sale with using the traffic from my lead gen secret. McLaw again. Hello, today's sale update. This is just 5 hours ago. It's a little fly in here. Excuse me, guys. Just 5 hours ago, he posted this. Another was a ClickBank sale using my lead gen secret. As you can see, this is a high traffic source. If you want to get more traffic, get more eyeballs to your website, this is how you can get 100 to 200 targeted leads a day. That's 3,000 visitors to your website a month. Tier 1 US home-based money-making leads. It is a $60 one-time startup and $30 a month after that. But versus 101 for the same 200 leads through solo ads. And here's a solo ad, and a solo ad vendor, 200 clicks is going to cost you $101 for 200 clicks, and that's not even monthly, that's not daily, that's one time that you're going to pay for 200 clicks, and it wouldn't even allow you to go no lower than 175 clicks, and that's with all solo ad vendors. So you'll still be looking at paying $88.75 per per one time that you pay for these leads, which is what my lead gen secret. You're gonna get 100 leads a day, 200 targeted leads when you get someone who to sign up under you under the affiliate program that they do offer. I'm gonna go off into that. Now, how to get started. You want to click the link below. There's a link in the description to my lead gen secret. You want to click the link below, watch the free 8-minute video, and join MLGS. So when you click the link and you put your email information in, it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to watch the 8-minute video. You're going to come down and join my lead gen secret. It's going to be the $30 one-time setup fee, and then $30 a month after that. But that's that's 3,000 visitors to your website monthly for the $30 a month. Now, as an affiliate, they offer $5 on residual income per referral. Earn a $100 bonus for every 5 customers you referral. You'll get paid through a check, PayPal, or even Bitcoin. And plus, they have a payment plan that runs 5 levels deep, so you'll get paid on 5 level deep into those members who join under you on as an affiliate. Excuse me, I had something all stuck in my throat, but I'm gonna keep it going. Gonna let it stop me. As an added bonus for you, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take your affiliate link. I'm gonna send it to 200 extra leads a month. So that means you're going to have 3,200 leads monthly if you join with me under my lead gen secret. So you're going to get the 3,000 visitors a month from my lead gen secret, and I'm going to send 200 leads a month to you to your affiliate link. That's my added bonus for you for getting started with my lead gen secret as a traffic source. You want to look for my emails and your email office under the promotion tab or the update tab, so that way you want to move that over to your primary folder. You don't want to miss any emails. I'll be sending extra resources to where you can send your affiliate link to also to gain extra leads to help you as an affiliate with my lead gen secret, to see you get some success and start making residual income with the system. Or if you already have a home-based business, make money online system, you can mail these leads every day with your opportunity and what you have to promote to these leads. As you can see, they're very susceptible to clickbank offers. So if you promote clickbank, you promote clickbank to these leads. If you promote JVSU, you promote any other digital products. These are tier 1 US, Canada, the US, the top tier countries. So these are very highly receptible sales that you'll be getting with my lead gen secret. I don't want to keep the video going too long, but if you want to get started with me today, click the link in the description. It's going to take you over to this page. Again, you want to watch the 8-minute video. It's going to give you the whole breakdown of how to get started and how it came up as a traffic source. This is really reliable. It's been in the game for 10 years now. 10 years as a traffic source and still bringing people constant sales with its top tier US leads. Alright, that's the video, you guys. Again, if you want to get started with this traffic source, or if you want to become an affiliate and make a residual income, the link is in the description below. Go ahead, get started today. Take action. If you have any questions, you can contact me through Facebook. I have my Facebook link down in the description. Get with me through Messenger, and I'm here for you to help you guys out and help give you a little bit more guidance on how to use my lead gen secret as a mailing source. Take action today. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here.